Many people talk about Windows 10 LTSC, but few of them show the official and legal way to download it from Microsoft. In this quick video, I will show you exactly where to download Windows 10 LTSC. I will also explain its support period to you, and at the end, I will show the quick installation of Windows 10 LTSC. So make sure watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. Let's first understand what is Windows 10 LTSC. Windows 10 LTSC stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel. It is designed for stability and will receive only security updates and does not get frequent feature updates like regular Windows 10. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. Before we proceed with download and the installation, let's be clear about Windows 10 LTSC supports time period. Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2019 will receive security support until January 9, 2029, and Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2021 continues support until January 12, 2027. And please note that these dates are shown to you from the official Microsoft Lifecycle document. Now let's download it from Microsoft official page and don't worry about the link. I will mention this link in the video description. Just go to video description and click on this download link. You will be landed on Evaluation Center page where you will find the download for Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. Here in front of your required language, just go ahead and select Enterprise LTSC download, and I want to download it in English language for United States and want to select the 64-bit edition. Now specify the path to download it. I am selecting the download folder and click on save. Please note that you must have 4 to 5 GB of space available into your download folder or into your computer. Now, while installing it on your PC or laptop, I won't go into full install steps in this video. But please make sure here you have select the Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC when the edition list appears in front of you. If your installer asks for a product key during the setup, just skip or choose I don't have a product key now. You can enter the key later if you have a valid license. And if you need help in creating a bootable USB or doing a full step-by-step install, I have the videos link in the video description. Don't forget to check them out. Alright, as you can see now, Windows 10 LTSC is installing. The rest of the setup is simple and straightforward. If this video helped you to understand Windows 10 LTSC, its supports lifecycle, and how to download it from Microsoft sources, make sure to like this video, it really helps the channel. And subscribe for more genuine Windows and IT tutorials. And comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover something specific next. Please note that all important and helpful Microsoft links I showed in this video are available in the video description so you can check them anytime. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.